You build a unique relationship with your barber. If you have one, that means you found someone you trust more than anybody else to handle an important aspect of your life, your appearance. You know, we aren't that far removed from technicians and shop owners being looked at the same way. Except, instead of hair, technicians learn about your customer's vehicle, what it needs, and how to care for it best. In this video, let's talk about how to interact with your customers to build and maintain trust for years to come. Trusting relationships between technicians and customers do still exist, but they are definitely less common than they used to be. With modern vehicles being more reliable and lasting longer, customers are visiting auto shops less frequently, which reduces your chance to establish and maintain that relationship. If you're looking to build on that trust, there are a few things that you could try. For example, don't just tell your customers about a repair they need. Show them. A lot of customers could get confused or even suspicious when they hear words they don't understand as a technician suggests repairs. However, actually showing customers the issue and visually explaining the problem can improve understanding and build trust. Take TPMS sensors, for example. These sensors play a crucial role in maintaining proper tire pressure, helping to improve safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. However, over time, TPMS sensors can lose accuracy or their batteries may fail, leading to warning lights and potential tire pressure issues. If a technician notices a malfunction or low battery, they can show the customer the TPMS scan results or the warning light on the dashboard to show them the issue and recommend a replacement. It's also a great opportunity to explain the safety benefits of regular tire maintenance. When the discussion shifts from a sales pitch to a shared understanding, especially about safety, customers start to see that technicians are there to help, not just to make a sale. Sure, generating profit is a primary goal for any shop, but ensuring customers fully understand their vehicle's issues helps build trust. When customers feel confident that they're getting honest service, they're more likely to return. Over time, this trust builds a strong connection between the customer and the technician, similar to the relationship with a trusted barber. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.